Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make yoga bar rolled oats. Start by measuring 1 cup rolled oats and 2 cups milk or milk alternative, then add a tablespoon of honey, a pinch of salt, and a half teaspoon vanilla extract. Stir well, cover, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. When ready, stir again, add seeds or fruit, and enjoy a creamy, energizing breakfast that keeps you full until take a clean 16-ounce jar and pour in oats, milk, and your chosen sweetener. Add a pinch of salt and half teaspoon vanilla for depth. Stir with a spoon for 30 seconds, ensuring all oats are moistened. Seal the jar and refrigerate upright to avoid leaks. Let the oats rest until they soften and thicken. Before eating, give a quick stir and top with fresh fruit and crunchy seeds. For a silkier texture, use a bit more milk and whisk briefly before refrigerating. If you prefer thicker oats, reduce liquid by about 15% or add a spoon of Greek yogurt. Mix in mashed banana or a teaspoon of nut butter for natural sweetness and richness. Add cinnamon or cocoa for extra flavor, and top with toasted nuts or seeds for crunch and contrast that makes each bite satisfying and balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.